Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to reduce your data usage on Netflix by up to 10 times. Let's get to it.
You listen? Fact check, yeah. Bro, shit is back in your tape deck, yeah. Don't wreck, head banging in the Tesla, that's breakneck.
Before getting to the video, if you are new to my channel or you have been watching my videos before now but you are yet to subscribe, definitely hit that subscribe button because it helps me a lot. And also don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Most people just pay for their Netflix and log in on their smart TVs, tabs, on their phones of course, and just start watching. And that's okay, especially if you have an unlimited Wi-Fi connection or unlimited internet connection. But in this part of the world where you have limited connections everywhere, you need to be aware of how much data your Netflix is consuming. So I'm going to show you guys how to save data while watching Netflix on any of these devices I just mentioned. What you have to do is go into your browser and of course load up netflix.com, then log in. After you log in, hit these three bars here and go into accounts. On the accounts page, scroll down to where you have your profile and hit the arrow next to it. Now you want to scroll down and go into where it says playback settings, hit change. And in here, first you want to disable both autoplay controls because you don't want it playing any episodes you don't want to watch. It's not by force. But even more importantly, in here, data usage per screen. If you set it to auto, what's going to do is that it's going to use your internet speed to decide whether to stream low, medium or high quality. And your internet might be fast but still limited, so definitely you don't want it on auto. As you can see here on high, it can use up to 7 gigabytes per hour if you are streaming on Ultra HD, which means your eye will be rejoicing but your pocket will be crying. And on medium, 700 MB as you can see, and low only 300 MB. The truth is that on low the quality is not so good, it's most likely going to be pixelated, so definitely, if you want to save more data, use that. However, I prefer the balance of medium, and 700 MB per hour is perfect for me. So after doing that, simply hit save, and on all your screens, all your devices, those settings are going to apply. You cannot do it on the app, you can only do it using the browser. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope this helps you save a lot of data while still enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows. If you like this video, definitely smash that thumbs up button, it helps me a lot. If you loved it and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.